Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set your Shopify navigation. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's walk through how to manage your menus so visitors can find products and pages quickly. Good navigation is one of the quickest ways to reduce confusion and help people get to checkout faster. Start by opening your Shopify admin and navigating to Content, then Menus. You'll see the default options such as the main menu and footer menu. These are the building blocks of your store's navigation and a good place to begin. Most stores never need more than a few menus, so keeping things simple here will make managing your site much easier over time. Choose the menu you want to edit by clicking its title. Once the menu editor is open, you can update existing links or add new ones. To add a new link, click Add Menu Item. Give it a clear, customer-friendly name like New Arrivals or Sale. Try to use labels your shoppers instantly understand instead of internal terms that only make sense to you. In the link field, pick the destination type that matches where you want people to go. For example, a collection page, product, blog, or an external URL. Keep in mind that only pages and collections you've already created will appear in the selection list, so make sure those exist before linking to them. After choosing the destination, click Add to include the item in the menu. This is the step that actually connects your navigation to real content on your store. Organizing your menu so it's intuitive will improve the shopping experience. Rearrange items by dragging the handle to change the display order. To create a drop-down submenu, drag an item slightly to the right and drop it underneath the parent item you want to use as the header. This nests the link and creates a secondary level. Most Shopify themes support up to 2 levels of nesting, so avoid overly deep menus, which can confuse customers and perform poorly on mobile. Think simple categories first, details inside. After you've added and arranged all menu items, click Save Menu to apply your changes. It's important to preview the changes on your live store so you can confirm everything looks and behaves as expected. The main menu is typically assigned to the header, and the footer menu to the footer automatically, so most of the time you don't need to do anything extra here. If you've created a new menu or want to reassign which menu appears in your header or footer, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize on your active theme. Within the theme editor, open the header or footer section and select the desired menu from the settings. This is helpful if you're testing different layouts or building out seasonal navigation like holiday collections. Quick tips to keep in mind. Use concise names that help customers scan quickly. Keep drop-down shallow for mobile friendliness, and double-check links after saving. With clean, well-organized navigation, shoppers will have an easier time finding what they need, and your store will feel more professional, which often leads to more trust and more sales. And that's it. Once you get comfortable managing your menus, you'll feel way more in control of how people move around your store. A clear navigation can make a huge difference in how long shoppers stay, and what they end up buying. If this video helped you, go ahead and hit that like button, and consider subscribing for more simple, step-by-step Shopify tutorials. I post tips just like this to help you build a cleaner, easier-to-use store. If you have questions or something looks different in your theme, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.